Students, now look at the next topic 2.2 types of motion. Our next topic is 2.2 types of motion. In physics, motion can be classified as below. So, totally how many types of motion? Linear motion, circular motion, oscillatory motion and random motion. These are the four types of motion. Now, let us see the linear motion. Linear motion is motion along a straight line. If an object is moving means it is whether if it is moving in a straight line, it is said to be as linear motion. Next is circular motion, motion along a circular path. An object is moving along a circular path. Next is oscillatory motion, repetitive to and fro motion of an object at regular interval of time. Repetitive to fro motion of an object at regular interval of time. Next is random motion, motion of the object which does not fall in any of the above categories. If the motion, it didn't follow linear motion, circular motion and oscillatory motion. If it didn't follow all these three categories, that is said to be as random motion. Now, let us see with examples. See here, look at the first one, linear motion, motion along a straight line. For example, we can say that car moves along a straight line. Bus moves along a straight line. Likewise, if an object is moving along a straight line, that is said to be as linear motion. Examples are that car moves along a straight line. Look at the next topic. Look at the next one. Circular motion. Circular motion is that motion along a circular path. For example, we can say that electron revolve around the nucleus. What we can say? Electron revolve around the nucleus. This is an example for circular motion. Or else the earth is surrounded the sun. No. So we can say that example also. Better you write electron revolve around the nucleus. Next is oscillatory motion. Repetitive to and fro. Here I have done one mistake. I didn't write to. You add to. Repetitive to and fro motion of an object at regular interval of time. That is, for example, we can say swing. For one time it is going as forward and another time it is coming as backward. So likewise, repetitive to and fro motion of an object at a regular interval of time is oscillatory motion. Example, we can say pendulum of the clock. If the pendulum of the clock means it is striking now. While it is striking, see here, at particular time it is going this side and another time it is coming this side. Likewise, it is moving from here to here. This is said to be as oscillatory motion. Next is random motion. Motion of the object which does not fall in any of the above categories. If it didn't follow the linear motion category, circular motion and oscillatory motion, this is said to be as random motion. For example, movement of fish under water. Whether the fish is moving in a straight line? No. Whether it is moving in a circular path? No. So, movement of fish underwater is it will move its own wish. So, the motion of the object which does not fall in any of the above categories is said to be as random motion. Example, we can write as movement of fish under water. Are you clear? Next is 2.2.1, uniform and non-uniform motion. We are going to see about uniform and non-uniform motion. First, let us see the definition. See here. An object said to be in uniform motion if it covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. However, big or small these time intervals may be. What they are saying is that an object is said to be in uniform motion if it covers equal distances in equal intervals of time is said to be as uniform motion. Now let us see with that example. See here, consider a car which cars 60 km in first hour, in 60 km in the second hour and 60 km in the third hour and so on. The car covers equal distances at equal intervals of time. So we can say this motion as uniform motion of the car. See here children, the time is for 1 hour the car is covering the distance 60 kilometer. So the time we are taking as hours and the distance as kilometer. So for 0 hour 0 kilometer. 1 hour the car is moving the distance 60 kilometer, and for 2 hours 120 kilometer, 3 hours 180, and for 4 hours 240 kilometer. So see here, 0 minus 1 is 1 minus 2 is everything is 1. Next is 60 minus 120, 60. 180 minus 120, 60. 240 minus 180, 60. So the time is also equal, the distance is also equal. So this is said to be as uniform motion. An object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time is said to be as uniform motion. In our uniform motion, speed is constant. In uniform motion, speed is constant. Next, look at the topic non-uniform motion. Now consider a bus starting from one step. It proceeds slowly when it passes through crowded area of the road. Suppose it manages to travel merely 100 meter in 5 minutes due to heavy traffic and is able to travel about 2 km in 5 minutes when the road is clear. Hence the motion of the bus is non-uniform. That is, it travels unequal distances in equal intervals of time. What is non-uniform motion is? An object is said to be a non-uniform motion if it covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. In uniform motion, it is said to be uniform motion if it covers equal distances in equal interval of time. In non-uniform motion, unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Let us see the example. See here students, non-uniform motion. Here time we are taking in minutes because they had given in minutes only, so time we are denoting as minutes, and the distance in kilometer. For 0 minutes 0 distance, and for 5 minutes it is traveling 100 meter. For 5 minutes it is traveling 100 meter. Then for 10 minutes it is traveling 2 kilometer. Because the bus is coming out from the bus stand, there is so crowded area. So for it is taking 5 minutes to reach 100 meter. Then the road is clear. The road is an empty space. So for 10 minutes the bus traveled 2 kilometer. Then for 15 minutes the bus traveled 4 kilometer. So now look at the table. The time are same. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 15 minus 5 is 5. So here the time are same. So it is having equal intervals of time. Look at the distance. 100 meter. Next is 2 minus 100 is 1.9 kilometer. 4 kilometer minus 2 kilometer is 2 kilometer. So in non-uniform motion it is having equal intervals of time and distances are unequal. See here, an object covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time is said to be as non-uniform motion. So uniform motion will be uniform motion's another name is unaccelerated motion. And the non-uniform motion's another name is accelerated motion. Are you clear with the topic types of motion, uniform motion and non-uniform motion?